today I am at India Warehouse and Logistics Show, and I'm at the stall of Indo Germa. If I ask you, what is the vision for next 10 years for Indo Germa?
The next 10 years, we want to capitalize the market in terms of not only just shutters, we also want to capitalize the complete systems, the doors industry supply. So we want to get into we are already doing dock levelers, we're already doing fire doors, we're already doing shutters, and we are also into motorized manual gates and swing gates. So we would like to be a bigger presence in India in the 10-year vision range.
When we talk about India, and the very first thing comes into mind is it's cheap. And very quality compromised. But when you talk about PM Modi, so he's talking all about, make in India, and it's India's Amrit Kal.
Correct.
So what is that as a manufacturer you want to give a message maybe to the upcoming generation as well as to the entire manufacturing community about India? That no, it's not cheap anymore.
That's
and
correct.
We really do not compromise about quality.
With this particular point of view, I would say that right now the market trend is turning towards supporting the local manufacturing and local industries. There is no lack of quality anywhere for sure in India, because JSW and all these Tata Steel, they've got some of the best steel in the world, I would say. And it's not just the best quality, it's also great in terms of its cost effectiveness. So you're really getting the best of both worlds at the moment. So I think Make in India is going to not just be Make in India, it's going to be also sending out some of our products all the way throughout the world. So I think it's a great moment for industries to be in India and to manufacture in India at the moment.
You were telling about the IIT certification.
Yes.
And can you please explain me about that?
Like I explained, ours is a very lightweight product. When it comes to lightweight, people in their mind, they would think, oh, if it's lightweight, it tends to be weak as a product, right? But our product, what we have done is we've taken the extra step to make sure that we get it certified from the best engineering organization in India, IIT Chennai. So we went into IIT and we've got our shutter tested for wind resistance. And I'm not just going to say this, but according to facts, we have the highest wind rating in India, 251 kilometers per hour past pressure, which equates to also force resistance in the sense that basically your shutter is safe. Doesn't matter whether it hits the wind or whether a person pushes it.
Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.